Hey guys, this is Thomas Talon at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a fresh trade that we just took in. This is a MasterCraft X30, 2015 MasterCraft X30. Guys, this is a freshwater boat. It's always been on Lake Kiowee, which is in upstate South Carolina. Never been anywhere else, completely freshwater its entire life. The boat has right at 470 hours. Like I said, the boat just landed here. It is getting a full service, water pump, change the oil, full tune. Comes with the trailer, guys. This boat had a couple of upgrades on it from the factory. It has the 4 tower speakers. It's got the heaters. Taking a look at the transom here, you'll see it does have the transom stereo remote. Guys, this boat is currently available at MarineMax in Greenville. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our dealership located at 14 Birdie Road, Greenville, South Carolina, 29605. Again, this is a 2015 MasterCraft X30, 470 hours, waiting on a full tune and a detail. Guys, boat will come with a safety kit, life jackets, dock lines, full tank of fuel, all the safety gear you need for 4 passengers. For more info, please reach out to MarineMax or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you and have a great day.